a natural detox. So it's 100% raw sea moss, and this is the bag, what to do with it. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll let you guys know how I feel after I take it. And I'm going to incorporate it into my smoothies, into my foods, and maybe I might just take it just like that after I do a gel. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'll let you guys know if I do a gel with it. I'm going to let you guys know how that came out. So also I want to just show you, if you can see right here, you know, that's this actual sea moss right there in the bag. So let me see if I can open it. Also in the bag you have how to prepare. So they actually give you specific instructions on how to prepare your sea moss. And then you have a 7-day sea moss challenge, which is to eat, you know, your fruits only and your sea moss. You can drink that regularly on a daily basis to help in rejuvenating your system and to detox your body. So I will definitely let you guys know how this sea moss works out for me. This is not my first time having sea moss. It smells like
tuna fish.
It smells like tuna fish?
Yes.
This is what it looks like inside, guys. Zane says it smells like tuna fish. It actually does not have a bad smell. And it's dry, very dry on the inside. And it smells kind of like, oh, it smells like the beach. But it's not stink, and it doesn't have like a rotten smell to it. It's in minerals and everything pure and blessed. So there you have it. So this is exactly how much they gave you in the bag. This is a whole lot that came in the bag. So right now I'm going to soak it in spring water, and then I'm going to leave it overnight, and then tomorrow we can blend it up in a blender and we can use it on our face. We can use it for our smoothies, or we can just take it like it is. After it's been blended, we can just take a spoonful and have it there as your vitamin. But this is exactly how much comes in it. I wanted to show you guys. It doesn't smell bad. Look at that, look at that. So beautiful. I'm going to add more water to it. Look how pretty that looks. Look at that. That looks so beautiful. And this is what it looks like, guys. I just rinsed off the sea moss in spring water. And this is what it looks like. All of that in there. This is from the sea moss residue. So you want to make sure you thoroughly wash your sea moss nice and clean. And this is how you store it. In a little jar. Put it in the freezer. And then you can use it 2 weeks from now or a month from now. but this is actually not my first time drinking seamoss, so I'm excited about this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. And don't forget to share this video if you enjoyed it. If you know someone who can benefit from seamoss, you can share this video with them. And let us know in the comments section below, what do you use to detox for your body? And thank you guys for watching again. Bye bye.